Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This is a lightweight twin cylinder 250, liquid cooled, black in color. This is one of the best running 250s we had, only $19.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Make your motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful 07 Ninja 250. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.